Hey Nick, I think we should just get in the boat.
Say fuck it, go to the Bahamas?
Yeah, let's go to the Bahamas.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
We are at our favorite stop, Waffle House. We're living large tonight. On top of Mount Eagle in Tennessee. So we're like 1,000 hours from Miami yet. Hey Nick, I don't think they can see us. No, we've been here 15 minutes. What do you think, Mason? Can they see us? Are we invisible tonight? Hey, how are you doing? Doing good. Doing good. We there yet? Getting there. Florida Turnpike. Stupid traffic. Yeah, this part sucks. We gotta fill that thing up. I think it has 100 gallons in it. Put 20 gallons on top of it. Not fun. What do you think, Mace? You ready to get down there? We've done this quite a few times on this trip. Yeah, it seems like every 3 hours. With that boat, it's about 6 miles a gallon. 30 gallons, so you got about 32 gallons usable. So it's right between 125 and 160 miles. Guys, we are at the marina, finally. I'm glad we're here. Kevin drove like 10 minutes of it, and then he got menstrual cramps and had to let go of the wheel. It's okay. I got some good video of you sleeping. Good. I got some of yours snoring. Let's see. Man, I'm ready to think. Look, looks like the rain has already passed, which is good. I'm gonna leave a statement down here over the winter. What's happening? Look at her. It's not Fireball, but she's doing good. What are they called? White tea. White tea. It's not bad. My little pinky wants to go up as I drink them, but...
You're the one that just spilled their drink on.
What do you think, Brady? You want a white tea?
I'll have a maker. She wants another? Yeah. No, just make it.
What do we get her, a straw?
Just take this.
Can we get a couple now?
A couple nipples?
Here, I can clean it up.
No, it's okay. I'm going to just take this right here.
Oh, perfect.
We got her on a
And I'll
weekend
get her a
pass.
new one under the spill tab.
She's normally not like this.
Don't mind if I can get another?
She's on vacation.
Is Christy drunk? When you take the helmet off, things happen.
Can I still mind if I can get another?
Yeah.
Did you bring day after pills?
What's that?
Did you bring day after pills?
Yeah, day after pills. Yeah. She doesn't want any new kids. What do you think, Brittany? You're gonna be on TV. Yeah. We're gonna catch you in an awkward moment tomorrow when your ass is in the air. It's gonna be a thumbnail.
It'll be when I'm peeing.
And then guys are gonna click on this video just to see it, and your butt's not gonna be up there.
It'll be when I'm peeing.
It's called clickbait.
It'll be when I'm peeing.
Look at that.
Hey, tell them to come over here. Listen. He can have half yours and he can have half mine. Yes. There we go.
He got them all.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow. Okay. We're so
Like 2.5?
So how was it?
What happened to our stack?
Was that salty?
Well, no, he had one
No,
of
it's actually not bad.
Sorry.
You know, I know it's not as strong as Fireball because it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
All of us. Knocked his tampon loose.
Dude was pulling out of the dock. You have to see my 50 out here.
All right, guys, we are getting packed. Nick, come here.
Good morning, people. We are getting ready to start our adventure across the Atlantic, where we're going to leave. Cameraman gets left in the Bahamas.
Hey, I might like that.
Yeah, you will.
But check this out. This is the packing job of all the freaking stuff that everybody
Six
brought.
people's luggage. 6 people that shouldn't travel. Did you get Brandon's big bag in there already?
Yeah, it's in there.
Holy shit.
I know.
You would like to test your key. I don't need that. One more heavy bag.
Hi, Christy.
Hi, how are you?
What is today?
Today's Bahamas Day.
What is it?
Go ahead and grab the ropes in.
Bahamas bound?
Bahamas bound.
Come on.
But I'm not saying it like
Come
that,
on.
like I did that one time.
You got a goose right in the middle of it.
What's up, little man? You ready?
You're gonna be that close.
What about you, Mason? You ready? Yeah. All right. Hey, guys.
Morning. Wait.
Morning. What's the weather look like?
Sunny and beautiful.
That's all I need to hear.
7-foot seas. This one?
That one.
This one.
Yeah, thanks.
You would think you'd have like a paint cover. Oh, it is sparkly.
There you go, look at that. Isn't that funny how that works?
Oh, no, you're...
You get a bit more. Hold a hat right. Keep your head on that.
Well, it's been fun for a night here at the Bahi Mar.
Hey, B&R.
Is it the BMR?
B&R.
Yeah, we're leaving BMR.
We are heading to the Cuba.
Change of plans.
We're gonna get good money out of some of these people.
Where did the fingers go? Oh, down there?
Yeah.
That it? All fenders, all ropes?
I see your hamster moving there. It's kind of rusty. It's turning like.
Hey, Nick, Tammy's looking for a seatbelt.
Seatbelt. We got the crash helmet and the seatbelt for you, girl.
Flash letter or a big bag.
Whose is this?
That's one. Okay, you'll be all right.
6.
No, if you flew off, get
Driving.
What? I can't hear. What's he saying?
Good morning. Saying good morning. Good morning.
What's up, man?
All the squad there, Reed. They got some escaping.
So, hey, Nick. So, what do you think? Immigration's not slow. They're somebody's got drugs on the boat, right?
Yeah.
Who are they checking out? Look.
Yeah, they're waiting.
All these.
This guy.
Probably him.
But it's to do with the tattoos.
It's not liquid Cialis that he has. Last year we sacrificed Gardner. We don't have him here this year. Simmons told me because they want to do a full cavity search. Gardner goes, "Why me?" And we all looked at him. Really? You gotta ask that question.
We'll document you going to jail.
I know, but you gotta stay on the boat. It's customer rules, isn't it?
As long as you don't leave the dock.
Yeah, I ain't leaving the dock.
No, straight ahead, sir, to the door to the end.
Probably buying a house here. We're not here. There's no one's here.
So how do you rate it? How is it? How's it? Is it good?
It's a 4. A solid 4.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Everybody up in this motherfucker.
You always want to check out some snapper, don't you?
I've never snapped first snapper.
I think we go to the...
You know what?
Kevin, where are we
Holy shit! Look, woo! Get it!
Kevin, where are we at? Where are we at?
Bahamas!
Bahamas, baby.
Woohoo!
Look at that water. Woo! It's so pretty.
Nothing better than pretty water and palm trees.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe.
What'd you say?
Shit, I know where you're gonna be at later.
Oh yeah, I bet there's a lot of shit out here, dude.
Thank you.
Come on, bub. Did you some conch?
I did.
Woo! Ah!
I saw you eating conch, or was it conch?
No, I ate some conch, not cock. I didn't eat no penis, goddammit. Oh. Getting me wet. I was like, what the hell? Somebody's splashing me. Uh-oh, we might be in a situation.
What are you doing, Kevin?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get that nose. Where's your boys? I enjoyed your boys last time we were.
Well, they're both back at home. They're both working.
Okay, I enjoyed both of them. They both had like one of them was doing the photo booth. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up?
Never introduced me. My face is like...
You've been staring at her ass all day and I haven't.
Oh, I can tell you Kayla got cold over there.
There she is.
Woo! Rock star.
Woo-hoo! That's my baby!